Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the early hominids or early human like uh, animals, or you can say early human like primates. Uh, they could be called as the ancestor of humans as well, or the closely related ancestral species. Now, some of the hominids, such as Sahelanthropus, Ororin, and Ardipithecus, they are considered as the early human-like uh, animals. The oldest hominid is Sahelanthropus canadensis, which lived 7 million years ago. The bone of more than 500 early hominids have been found. They are helping the scientists in the broad understanding about these species which are related to human. This picture shows the feet of early hominids, and these are the oldest fossil record. It date back 3 million years ago. So this shows that at that time, the human-like organisms or the animals called hominids, they started walking on 2 feet. Now, while early hominids they were becoming bipedal, their brain remained small, which differentiated them from the modern humans. Their brain size remained from 400 to 450 centimeter cube in volume. Early hominids, they were small in stature, and they had relatively large teeth, and their lower jaw was protruding outside as compared to the upper jaw. So there was no balance between their upper and lower jaw, and the lower jaw was extended forward as compared to their upper jaw. Some other species, including Australopithecine and the other hominids fossils, they have been found only in Africa. And mostly it is found in the east and south part of the Africa. But some of the fossils, they are also found in a country, African country known as Chad, which is present in the north central Africa. So this whole scenario tells us about the early hominids and their species, as well as different features which they have, which are quite different from the modern human.